if you're looking for a long-term investment, I mean, you're interested in buying a land and leave it for a long term, and also it is important for you that this said land for a long-term investment should fall below 5 million naira. Well, I need you, yes, you, to get in here because I got something that will interest you right here in Ekpa. So hey, get all of the full details at the end of this video. Hi guys, how are you guys doing today? Yes, my name remains Goodness Usman, your fab lady realtor for Niger Realty 24/7 and the queen of landlord makers. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our YouTube channel once again. So, like I earlier mentioned, for those who have been seeking for land they can buy for long-term investment and are very much interested in it not be above 5 million naira in Ekpe. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back here at Excel Garden Phase 2, which is located in Igbonla. This perfectly suits your purpose. Like I said, it is for a long-term investment, and of course right now it's currently selling at 3 million naira for 500 square meter. However, you can also buy into the 300 square meter, which is at 1.7 million naira only. Now, the good thing about this investment is the fact that it is free from any form of encumbrances. However, it is yet to be a titled land. Anything below 5 million or in the range of 5 million naira in Ekpe is definitely untitled land. But the question is, even though it is yet to have a title, is it free from government encumbrances? Of course, this is a land that is freehold. So for many who've been talking about how they still want to invest in Ekpe, however they don't want to buy a land that is in the range of 20 million naira and the likes of it, then this is perfect for you. Like I said, you have two options here to either buy the 500 square meter or the 300 square meter. All you need is 700,000 as initial deposit, and there is a flexible payment plan available that is scrolling on your screen right now. So hey, I don't need to say much about Igbonla, okay? Because I know some of you already know where Igbonla is, but for the sake of those who are yet to know where Igbonla is a location inside Ekpe, and I'm going to quickly tell you the popular landmarks. So the first one is the St. Augustine University. It's very close to where we are right now. And also another beauty about this property is the fact that it is facing a road, okay? An internal road, not a major road, but an internal. But hey, you know, this is for future investment. We don't know what the future holds. I mean, in half a decade's time, you never can tell if this road will become a major road. There's so many other estates around this particular property. There's a government secondary school very close to where we are here as well. Ekpe is known to have very good schools in it, which is really interesting. I mean, the Yabatech is there. We have good government secondary school, even very good primary schools are here. And I know for sure that even in the future, more schools will be coming into Ekpe. So owning a piece of this place for the future is a good one to own. A home you want to stay, a place for rental income, a place to build hostels. Yes. and many, many, many more. Now, one good thing about long-term investment is that you as an investor had positioned yourself early in a place like this, where it's looking like nothing is happening, it's so quiet, everywhere looks bushy. If you look at the overview footage, I mean, there's just bush everywhere, right? However, a bush like this today, in half a decade's time, turns into a city, or in a decade's time. That is why you are looking to sit there, put your money to work for you, and then you make passive income while you're sleeping. Now, the last time I introduced this property to you guys, this interlock have not been done, the painting on the walls have not been done, and then they've not gotten the gatehouse to where it is. You see that they've gotten the gatehouse to where it is now, and some things are changing already. They're getting ready for the very first batch of the allocation. So if you come on board now, you might be part of the very first batch to get allocated here. Remember, to get allocated, you will pay your 3 million naira. If you're buying one plot, whatever numbers of plots you're buying, you pay your total land amount, and you also pay for your deed and survey. This 3 million naira is not all inclusive, it's the cost of the land only. The 300 square meter for 1.7 million naira is not inclusive, is without the deed, the cost of the deed, and the survey. So hey, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, all you need to reserve your plot here today is 700,000 naira, and then you can spread your payment across 2 months without interest, or all the way to 6 months as well. Thank you so much for watching the video to the very end. I hope I've been able to give you what you're looking for, and I will be delighted to help you, yes, you and your friends, your families, to become a proud landowner here for the future. So how about you stop watching the video now, give me a call, let me help you reserve your plots right here and ride a smooth real estate journey with you. Remember that I am the queen of landlord makers, and I'm passionate about you using safe and secured real estate to grow your net worth. So I'll be waiting for your call. Until then, ensure that you, yes, you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I say to you, oh double.